Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Welcome. My name is Jasmine. I'm so glad you guys are here. Today we're going to be opening the winter box for FabfitFun. Finally I got it. I got the tracking, I think it was on the 12th, and I just got it last night. So I'm excited that I finally received this, so I could share with you guys what I received. This is a winter theme, and as you can see, look at the box. It's so pretty, perfect for the holidays. This box is so big, and my fall box, you know what I did was that box, because it was so decorated for the fall. That's where I put all of my decorations that I had around my house. I put it in there. So I don't know if I'm gonna do the same thing with this winter box, because from the outside you could tell it's winter. So that is where I might be putting my decorations. As you know, I'm subscribed, but I'm subscribed as an annual subscription. That means I was able to choose a little bit more items. So I'm gonna be very excited for the items I received, because I selected a lot more items versus if I was just subscribed to just a season. I'm excited with the items I got for this type of subscription. It's very different. I just started with this. This is my second box, and I am impressed because it's not all makeup or skincare. This is very different. This is more makeup items that you may need or for the house. So I'm liking that. I'm warming up into that type of subscription box. So the first thing is, you see the theme here, and I got some brochures, offers here that came. This candy, which I love this brand. Look at this cute sticker that came from FabfitFun, and some codes and promotions and something else here. So there was more, I think, flyers than I got from the other box. So this is what is in the box. It says the total value is going to be $200 and plus. So that is really good. As you know, the subscription for this is about $50, and it says all members get to pick from customizations 1 through 3, select members customizations 4 through 5, and these are the ones that FabfitFun picks for us. So I have an annual subscription, so I was able to choose more items, which I love. And let me tell you, I did the spoilers, and it was hard to choose because there were so many great products. And from the first ones, as you see all here, they were all great choices, but the one I selected was the cozy blanket, and this one is called On High Little Marshmallow Blanket. I love that name. This one retails for $65, and the reason why I chose that is because I like to put these on my couch, and this was a perfect color, and I thought this was perfect. So instead of me buying one, I selected this on this box. So this made it all worthwhile seeing and receiving this box. So look how cute this is. This is super fluffy, and it's from On High, and like I mentioned, this one retails for $65, and this is exactly the color that I needed. And these are the other items that you was able to choose from. I'm telling you guys, it was really hard to choose from. Then we're going to move on to the second item, and the second item, as you see, there's many great products here as well. I was tempted of getting the Lily Pulitzer ceramic mugs. I thought they were so cute, but there was something else I knew that I needed, and the one I selected was Impressions Vanity Company LED vanity mirror that retails for $45, and that is right here. I feel like I needed the vanity mirror a lot more. I'll show you inside. It came, you just have to put it together. This is the base. This is the actual mirror, which is, I think, really cute, and it came with batteries and a cable. So I'm happy with the size. I did read the size to make sure that it wasn't going to be this tiny little mirror. So I like this product. So now let's move on to the third item. Easy for me to choose. So I selected the palette from Laura Geller. It retails for $45. You see it here. I don't want to swatch it. I don't want to open it or swatch it, because once I saw it, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna give this away. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you're new, so you don't miss out on that giveaway. So this is gonna be included on that giveaway. This is from Laura Geller, Cinnamon and Spice. I love the name. I love the names of the shades. They have gingerbread, pumpkin spice, living la vida, mocha, salted caramel. Look how cute this palette is. I think it's perfect for anybody who wants a neutral palette, everyday palette. There is a matte, and then there is an equal amount of I believe of shimmers, so it's pretty well balanced. It feels a little heavy, and it comes with the mirror too, so I love that. But I'm going to be giving this away. Look how many great items are here. I also have this product, so I skipped on that. I don't know if this would have looked good on me. So the item I selected was the socks. These gray. This is from Lux. They're pretty cute. I love that. And this one retails for $25. So out of all those things, I have some of those items already. And then from the same page, I also selected this item. I love that I was able to pick way more items, so I will be happy with this box since it's a little bit more expensive, and I love that benefit that it comes from getting an annual subscription. And if you guys are interested, I'm going to leave my link below. This was my other item, as you see here, cutting board set of 4. And this one cost $19.95. This is for seafood, for vegetables, and 2 different type of meat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep 2 probably for my cookies and baking. I love to bake, especially now. Love to bake cookies, and I think this will be perfect for that too. So I think this came in a good time. So that's everything for this page of all those items there. So let's go ahead and move on to the products that they selected for me. And as you saw in the beginning, anything that is blue was picked by FabfitFun, as you see up here. I love this guide and I love this book. Makes it so much easier for you guys to see everything that was coming and all the variations for this season. So the first one I got was Wish lip scrub in vanilla bean. This one retails for $20, and it has organic brown sugar and organic shea butter worked together to exfoliate and soften your lips. I have not tried it. I love that it's vanilla bean. It's a lip scrub. This one retails for $20, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or if I'm gonna give it away, so stay tuned for that, because I'm gonna read more about that. Then the other product that I got was this product here. This is a blush from Face Zero Mousse Blusher, a silky smooth formula that's gonna blend seamlessly onto the skin for a gorgeous flush of color. And this product retails for $27.50. It's making moves. Look how cute this is. It's pretty warm, and here it is. It's hard to open. And it comes with the mirror, and it's a pretty big pan. Look how cute it is. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to swatch it because I think I'm going to give this away as well. And that is the shade Making Moves. More jewelry ombre leopard scrunchies, and it's a set of 3, and this set of 3 costs $25, as you see them here on the picture. And I love scrunchies. I just them because they're pretty nice and sturdy inside. They're not that soft. And there's 3 different shades, so I love them. Yeah, but this one retails for $25, which is crazy. And I think that is all for this box. So yeah, guys, I'm happy with everything I got for this winter box. I love how detailed they are. You get to see all the variations as well, so I like to share those also when I get all those spoilers. I share them on this channel as well, so you guys have an idea what's coming and you get to choose on time so you don't miss out on that window when you get to pick your selection. I am happy, guys. I feel like this box is better than the fall. I like the fall, but I feel like these are items that I kind of wanted and I got to choose, and I got them this month for this season. So I'm excited, guys. I'm excited for this box. Let me know if you already received it or if I was the only one who's getting it super late. Let me know in the comment section. I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I got to spend it with my son. We drove more than 6 hours to see him since he can't leave the base since he's in the military, so it was really nice to spend time with him. And once we got back, finally the box got here. So yeah, I wanted to share with you guys exactly what I received. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, thumbs up, and if you're new, I invite you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out other videos, other unboxing, and also for that giveaway. So thank you guys again, and until the next video, bye.